Are you interested in working in Canada? If so, you'll need to navigate the process of obtaining a work permit. Applying for a work permit in Canada is a step-by-step journey, and the specific requirements and procedures may vary depending on your individual circumstances. However, this video will provide you with a general outline of the steps involved in applying for a work permit in Canada. Please watch this video all the way through so you don't miss anything important. Please subscribe, share, and like for more videos. Understanding the work permit. Before diving into the application process, it's essential to have a basic understanding of what a work permit is. A work permit is an official document issued by the Canadian government that allows foreign nationals to work legally in Canada for a specified period. This permit is typically required for most job positions, except for specific categories such as diplomats or emergency service providers. Step-by-step guide to applying for a work permit in Canada. Step 1. Determine your eligibility. The first step in applying for a work permit in Canada is determining your eligibility. To qualify for a work permit, you must meet certain criteria, including having a job offer from a Canadian employer, demonstrating that you will leave Canada once your work permit expires, proving that you have enough financial resources to support yourself and your family during your stay in Canada, meeting health and security requirements. Step 2. Obtain a job offer. To apply for a work permit in Canada, you typically need a job offer from a Canadian employer. This job offer must be supported by a positive labor market impact assessment, which shows that there is a need for foreign workers to fill the position. However, some job positions may be exempted from the LMIA requirement. Step 3. Gather the required documents. Once you have a job offer, you'll need to gather the necessary documents for your work permit application. These may include a valid passport or travel document, proof of job offer and LMIA, if applicable, proof of qualifications and work experience, passport-sized photographs, proof of funds to support yourself and any family members during your stay in Canada, a completed work permit application form. Step 4. Submit your application. After gathering all the required documents, you can now submit your application for a work permit. The application process can vary depending on your country of residence. You can apply for a work permit online through the Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada website or through a visa application center in your country. Ensure that you fill out the correct application form based on your situation. Step 5. Pay the application fee. When submitting your work permit application, you will be required to pay an application fee. The fee amount can also vary depending on the type of work permit you are applying for. Check the IRCC website for the most up-to-date fee information and payment options. Step 6. Biometrics and medical examination if required. Depending on your nationality and the type of job you are applying for, you may be required to provide biometrics. That is fingerprints and photographs. If you plan to work in certain occupations that require the protection of public health, you may undergo a medical examination. Step 7. Wait for processing. After submitting your application and paying the fee, you will need to wait for your work permit to be processed. The processing time can also vary, ranging from a few weeks to several months. You can check the IRCC website for the current processing times for your specific type of work permit and location. Step 8. Receive your work permit. Once your work permit application is approved, you will receive your work permit. This document will specify the duration of your work permit and any restrictions or conditions that apply. Once in Canada, you can start working as per the conditions specified in your work permit. If you need to extend or renew your work permit, ensure you do so before it expires. Applying for a work permit in Canada may seem like a complex process, but by following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to obtaining your work permit. Remember to determine your eligibility, secure a job offer, gather the required documents, and submit your application. With patience and preparation, you'll be one step closer to working legally in Canada. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, consult the official website of Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada or consider consulting with a Canadian immigration lawyer or consultant for personalized guidance. Thank you for watching. Good luck.